If you take your car to a mechanic, you need to watch this video because not every mechanic is honest, and some of them can cost you a lot of money. Let's start with the first trick, unnecessary parts replacement. Sometimes mechanics tell you that a part is damaged, even when it's still working fine. They replace it and charge you extra money. Second trick, fake problems. They create small issues or exaggerate minor faults to make you think your car needs urgent repair. Third trick, overcharging for simple work. A small fix that takes 10 minutes is sometimes charged as a big repair. Fourth trick, using low-quality parts. Instead of original parts, they install cheap parts but charge you full price. Fifth trick, not fixing the real problem. They fix something temporary so you come back again with the same issue. Sixth trick, hiding information. They don't explain clearly what is wrong with your car so you cannot question them. Seventh trick, unnecessary service. They suggest services your car doesn't actually need. Here is the truth. Not all mechanics are bad, but you should always stay aware. Always ask questions, check your car regularly, and if possible, get a second opinion, because your awareness can save you a lot of money. Have you ever faced something like this? Tell me in the comments.